What's up, YouTube? So I have here a RAV4 2017 SE. So yeah, XLE. So I installed this LED daytime running light. It's much more cooler. It's look like SE now. So stick around. So I will show you how did I install it. So please like and subscribe if you like this video, and let's go. What's up, guys? So I have here another project. So I have this LED light. So before I was doing this, but having hard time to figure out where to put the accessory light because it's hard to find it here, the relay. And I did find it, but it's underneath the steering wheel. So but now I'll show you how did I did it. First I must buy this LED lights in Amazon or eBay. This one is much good. So basically there's 3 wires here, so I already pre-wired the 2 wires, so the ground and the other one is the turn signal. So turn signal is basically you'll just find the signal light. Hi, so what I'm talking about is the signal light. So basically this is the bulb that you need to pull out. This one here. So where did I put it? This one here. There. Put it out here. And then there's a 3 wire. So you can see yellow, white, blue, and a gray. So the yellow one is the signal light. So you will see those pin configuration on this LED light. So the yellow is the signal. So you're just going to tap on it, or you can buy the tap wire. That's something like this. I will try this one. And also the accessory light. So it's like a daytime running light. So you're going to put it on this gray wire. Okay, so I'm going to try to tap it here so you will see. So try to remove this. So the red wire for the daytime is for the gray. The signal light is the yellow. See the yellow one. So the ground wire, I just basically find a ground here, bolt it on, and then you have it. A simple installation of LED light. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos of RAV4. Thank you. Have a nice day.